Captain.
What?
I'm Happy Gilmore with a driver.
Okay. Let's see you go. Whoa.
I think this is too small.
Yeah, I thought you had another one of those. Maybe not. We're gonna have to go to Dick's and find you another lefty club. Whoa, that was nice, Tar. That was Happy Gilmore?
Yeah. Look, doesn't work.
Yeah, you stick with that one. That one's better.
That was a good one.